In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 profitable niche that you can start with, and I'm also going to show you what product that you can promote and how you're going to find them. So, are you excited? Let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. So before we start, if you're new to this channel, then my name is Johnson Lin. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur. I make video about how to make money online, especially Instagram. I'm going to show you how you can build your Instagram page and having an audience so you can start promote any product that you want to make money online. If you love this kind of content, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell and smash the like button. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump back to today's video. So the first niche that we have is in the travel niche. So let's jump onto my computer that I'm going to show you how you can build your page. So this is the niche that I found on Instagram. So you can see this is a travel niche and there is a link over here. So let's click on this link. So you can see this is a travel agency website, and all this Instagram page do is they put this agency website on this page. So there is going to be two ways. One is they sign up as an affiliate, or maybe this is two that they go out to a brand deal. So the client will go out to here and sign up as a free trial, and they will start making money. So this is what you can do is you can jump onto Google, you can search for the travel agency, then you can send in an email to them asking them if they have an affiliate system, or maybe they were having a brand deal for you, so you can also place the agency website on your Instagram bio. So the second niche that we have is in the beauty and fashion niche. So you can see from this page has got 321,000 followers, and they also have a link over here. So let's click on this link and let's see what they offer. So let's click on again, see what's this. So you can see this is a website that having different kind of makeup product that you can promote. So all you need to do is you can also sign up on this website and you can promote this website on your Instagram page. So how do you do that is when you can scroll down to the very bottom of this website, then you can find there is an affiliate that here you can click on. So once you click on this affiliate, you can sign up as an affiliate and you can start to promote this website on your page. Then you can start earning commissions. So the third profitable niche that we have, the health and fitness. This niche is really huge. This niche might be the most biggest niche in the internet, in the entire world. There's a lot of people that are trying to lose weight, trying to grow muscles. So all you need to do is you can do exactly the same. So let's click on the link over here. So you can do exactly the same as this website. They are providing a free ebook teaching people how to grow muscles in 1 month. So all you need to do is you can jump onto this fitness program to download an ebook and promote on your Instagram page, or maybe you can jump onto this fitness page to join the affiliate system. You can start promoting. So let's jump back to here. You can see this ebook is providing free volume, and at the very bottom they have a product that's selling. So the client will come inside here, read everything inside this ebook, and they will click on this link and buy this product. So all you need to do is you can go up to Google, you can search the fitness program, or maybe a lose weight program, and you can join, or maybe you can just jump onto ClickBank. You can find hundreds and thousands of products you can promote, and you just put that link inside your Instagram bio. So the next we have the business and motivational niche. This is also a huge niche because people are willing to pay money to make even more money, especially on this pandemic time. People are stay at home. They are trying to make money online. So all you need to do is you can do exactly the same as this page. So let's click on this page. The link inside the bio, you can see from the second link, they are providing a free ebook teaching people how to grow from 0 to 100,000 Instagram followers in 3 months. So all you need to do is you can write an ebook teaching people from your experience that how you build your Instagram page. If you know how to do that, you can write an ebook and provide for free, and later on you can promote any product to teaching people how to make money online. Or you can just join an affiliate system and start promoting. You can see from this first product, the free book to increase website traffic and sales. This is a product from ClickFunnels, which means this Instagram page has signed up as an affiliate with ClickFunnels. So all you need to do is you can go out to ClickFunnels, join the affiliate system. You can also promote this free book for people to sign up, and later on you can get commission. So this is what you can do as well. So the next niche that we have, the lifestyle and the cooking niche. So you can see from this page, we are having a lifestyle, and over here there is an ebook teaching people, there is a physical book teaching people how to cook. If you know how to cook, if you love to cooking, then you can make an ebook like this. You can make an ebook. You don't have to make a physical book. If you want to, then you can write an ebook teaching people how to cook, how to cooking properly, how to make a meal for your families and friends. And you can put this ebook online for sale. People will start buying this ebook, and later on you have more experience. You can start create your own course teaching people to the next level to make even more money for you. So the next profitable niche that we have in the animal niche. This is also a huge niche because they are always having people that having a problem with the dog. It's always barking or maybe bite people. So this is also a niche that you can start with. So you can jump onto Google, you can looking for a dog training course, you can sign up as an affiliate and start promote this product, or maybe you can jump onto ClickBank and sign up to promote a training for dog, or let's click on this link. Let's see what they promote. So they are promoting a merch, so you can click on the merch. So a merch is that you can design a special design on your t-shirt, on your mask, on your hoodie. So you can do is you can grab a design and you can place this design on this t-shirt, hoodies, a cap. You can put this on this platform and sell for money. So all you need to do is you can jump onto Redbubble or Teespring and you can put your design on these t-shirt, hoodies, and people will start buying this product. And Redbubble, Teespring, they will handle everything for you. They will print out the design, they will ship the design, they will ship the item to the customer, they will collect the money, and they will give you the profit margin. Everything will done with Redbubble and Teespring. So all you need to do is just make your design on the website. Okay, so finally the last one, we have the relationship niche. This is also a huge niche because there is always a person want to chase woman, or there is always a woman looking for the best man. So they are always having a people want to fall in love with another people. So there is a huge money you can make with this niche. So from this page we can see when we click on this link, this is a product from ClickBank, as you can see from here. So all you need to do is you can jump onto ClickBank, then you can click on the relationship. You can promote the product on ClickBank. You can start making money. You can just do exactly the same as this Instagram page, promote this product and making a commissions. So let's just do a quick review with the 7 profitable niche that you can start today. The first one is the travel niche. And the second one is beauty and fashion. And the third one is health and fitness. And the fourth one is business and motivational. And the fifth one is food and personal style. And the sixth one is animal. And the last one is relationship. You can start with this 7 profitable niche today and start growing your Instagram page and start gaining followers. So later on you can promote any product that you love and start making a commissions. So be sure to start your Instagram page from today, because Instagram is for free. You don't have any excuse. Start from today and building your audience, so later on you can promote any product on Instagram page and making money. So if you want to know more detail about how to build your audience on Instagram and making money on Instagram, you can check out this ebook, Instagram Marketing Secret. It will show you step by step inside this ebook, and it's only cost you $9.99. If you are interested, you can check out the link in my description box. It will be the first link. Alright, so basically this is all for today, and if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because this channel will make you money. And also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future making money online video just like today. And if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. And if you want to send me a private message, you can follow this Instagram page as Successful Number One. You can send me a private message from this Instagram page. I will reply to each and every one. So basically this is all for today, and thanks for your time. I'm Johnson Lin. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.